Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Hopefully everyone's having a great day. For me, it's been a very long day. I'm finishing the newest course that I'm going to be releasing in the next couple of days through our usual channels. I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek in the next couple of minutes, so stay tuned. But today is just a short video, just a couple of news and announcements that I want to make sure everyone is aware of. This upcoming Saturday and Sunday, we are going to have our monthly portfolio review. For those of you that are unaware, every month we review the portfolios that you guys submit. You can submit works in progress, you can submit finished works, you can submit demo reels, whatever you want to submit and you would like me to take a look at. Make sure to check the description down here in the video so that you can find the Google Drive link, get in there, create just like a Word document or like a notepad or whatever, write me a little message if you want and give me the link to your portfolio so that we can review it. So the submissions are going to be open throughout the week. I usually close them on Friday when I start recording the videos for the portfolio review, like late Friday. So yeah, if you want to be part of this portfolio review, make sure to check that one down there. Also, we are still open with our submissions. Well, not the submissions just yet. We're going to have a special site for the submissions for the contest, but the contest is open. In the next couple of days, I'm actually going to do my take on the designing process of how I would start designing a weapon. I will see if we can take it all the way through. We're still missing with the shield. We're working on that one. Maybe the dragon egg we can continue. So yeah, there's still news and a lot of things to talk about here in the channel. But if you want to check it out, last week we released a video announcing the rules and how things are going to work. So you can start designing your own weapon and participating for this new contest, which is going to have amazing prices. We're also going to be announcing the prices real soon. They're going to be physical objects. So it's not just like free courses. We will have free courses for some of the winners. But the main prize, the big prize, is going to be physical stuff. So it's going to be pretty cool. Now, before we continue to the sneak peek of the course that I'm working at, and I'm literally on the last chapter right now, recording the last chapter for it, I just want to remind you guys, if you want to learn a little bit more about 3D and you want to do it today, maybe, check out our Skillshare promo.
Hey guys, Abraham here. I just want to remind you guys that we upload all of our courses to Skillshare. Skillshare is this amazing site where you can access a ton of different content to learn, improve, and grow as an artist. We have all of our courses available to watch and learn from right now in Skillshare. You can check the description down here, and Skillshare is offering 1 free month trial to their premium membership. With this membership, you're going to be able to access all of our courses and watch and learn all of the amazing things that we cover with all of the softwares. So, what are you waiting for? Check Skillshare down here below.
So there you go. If you want to learn a little bit about SpeedTree, Mari, maybe you want to start your journey in Maya or Blender, that's the place to go. Check Skillshare down here below. Now, just a final little sneak peek for today. This is the character. I'm not going to show the full character. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what he is. And yeah, let me actually hide this so that you don't see the name. It's an easy guess, don't worry. But there we go. This has been a very quite challenging course, but I think you guys are gonna love it. This is gonna be a beginner-friendly course on a character creation for games inside of Blender. Sorry about that. Inside of Blender. So the whole process from modeling, sculpting, except for texturing, which we're gonna be doing in Substance Painter, rendering, posing, all of the things we're gonna be doing here inside of Blender. So have you guessed what character this is? Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm gonna go back to recording. I'm gonna go back to recording the final part of this project, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe. All of those helps us. Leave us a comment as well. If there's any specific topic you would like us to cover, let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to add it to the list. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you back on the next one. Bye-bye.